Hey guys, the Rule Heathen here. I just had my GoPro returned to me. Uh, I guess one of the guys walking their dogs found it, and he was over here talking to my neighbor. And he went to go leave, and he saw the sign I had posted up by the door. And all of a sudden, I hear out in the hallway, "Oh, I got that. Who's this guy?" And yeah, I got my GoPro back. You know, the camera's fine. The media mod is trashed. The microphone is gone. The lens protectors did its job. You can see it up on the Instagram and my personal page. But yeah, I'm excited. I have my camera equipment back. It's been one of those weeks where you just want to. It's been the worst week of the year for me, I guess. But looks like things are starting to look up. So it's going to take me a little bit to get reset up. We have a rule that October to past Yule or Christmas for most of you, we don't buy ourselves anything. So it's going to take me a little while yet. I'll still take a break, but I figured I'd keep everyone updated. I've been doing pretty well. I've been back to work. Things have pretty much returned to normal. So maybe I'll do these little segment videos once a week off of my phone for now, which is fine for me. I went hunting yesterday. I swear, I think I broke a shoulder on a deer. I didn't see any blood. I could not find any fur, but I know I hit it. And we'll probably go back out today sometime to go look because we're about to have some snowfall. So, alright, I'll catch you guys later. Thanks for tuning in.